Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This time we have Half a Life back around. So this one is a cool, kind of fun, funky vibe song. And yeah, pretty cool to handle. We have a cool strumming pattern, only 4 chords. So yeah, let's start right away. No need for any capo. And we will start with the G minor. We found that variation of G minor up here on the 5th fret, so you need to bar the 5th fret here from the D string and down, so 4 strings, and the rest will be 7th on G, 8th on B, and 6th on E. You could bar it, you could also just hit the 5th fret on the D string, because that is actually what you need. I feel comfortable to just bar everything there, so that's just me, but that is anyway the G minor. Alright, next chord will be the A sharp, and we will have this position here. You bar the 6th fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 8 on A string, 8 on D, and 7th on the G. Alright. Next chord will be the D sharp, so we will stay here at the 6th fret here and bar this time only 5 strings, so from A string and down. Okay, the rest will be 8 on D string, 8 on G, and 8 on B. And what I actually do here when I use this chord, especially for this song, I will just put a bar there as well on the 8th frets and try to hit the D, G, and B string with that bar. That makes it that much more easier to kind of fit everything instead of try to go inside with all your fingers like this. You could do it, but yeah, I'm lazy, so I just do 2 bars like that. Alright, so that is the D sharp. And the final chord will be the F sharp. And what you do there, you just move up everything 2 frets. So that means the bar is now on the 8th fret here, from the A string and down. And the rest will be 10 here on D string, 10 on G, and 10 on B. So the strumming pattern will be like this, and I'm gonna play that with a G minor chord, the first part, and it sounds like this. Alright, so that is down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. It goes pretty fast here, so okay, and the second part, you will shift chord here, so we can go up to the A sharp chord and play the part, and it sounds like this. Alright, so that is down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so if we connect these 2 parts, it will be right, and then you play the same for the next 2 chords, which is the D sharp to F. So you just go down here. Alright, so that is how you handle most parts of this song here. G minor plus A sharp will be 1 strumming round, and then D sharp plus F will be 1 strumming round. So let's go. That is 1 chord progression there, 2 strumming rounds. Alright, so that is what the song is all about mostly. Then we have a bridge part, kind of an instrumental part, that starts at about 1 minute and 41 seconds into the song. And now the chord progression changes a little bit. Alright, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna start with the D sharp. We're gonna play the part 1. the down, 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 up. So the D sharp. Then you go to the G minor and play the part 2. And then you go to the F, you play the part 1. And then you're gonna play still on the F, the part 2, right before you come to the last 2 down, down. Okay, so that means down, up, down, 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 up on this second round of F. So, and the last 2 downs, you're gonna switch and play on the A sharp chord. All right, so that is one round of strumming with the new chord progression here. So just to repeat this one, you will start on this bridge part here, or instrumental part, with the D sharp chord, part 1. So then you go to the G minor, then you switch to F, and you stay on F and play the part 2. Right after this down up, you switch and go to the A sharp, and then all right, so that is how it goes here at 1 minute and 41 seconds into the song. You're gonna play 3 strumming rounds, 3 chord progression rounds with the strumming here for the D sharp, G minor, F, F, and A sharp. And when you have played these 3 rounds, you are about at 2 minutes and 12 seconds into the song. Now you're still gonna stay with the same chord progression from the D sharp and so on. You're only gonna play 1 down this time for each chord, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds of this chord progression. And at 2 and 29, we gear up and we're gonna stay with the same chord progression. This time we're gonna play 2 downs per chord here. So that means 2 downs on D sharp, 2 downs on G minor, 2 downs on F, only 2 downs on F, and 2 downs on A sharp. And after that, at about 3 minutes, starts the standard chord progression again from G minor, A sharp, D sharp, and F. You're gonna play the chords and with the strumming there. So that is what is going on till the end of the song. So that pretty much covers Half Alive back around. So good luck with your funky strumming here, and I hope to see you soon. And don't forget, guys, like always, play tuned.